Limp Bizkit's in the house, y'all. And today. October 5th. Notes, contemplations regarding next writing piece, regarding hyperstition, Portal Mountain, alphabetical, the Axial War. From here to there, whatever comes to mind. Test. Hello? Okay, I'll speak close. It's all good. So what to write, what to say, where to start, where to begin. Strike point, protocol. Find an entry. Have some goals in mind. Let the lightning fly and the bolt where it may, branching here and there. We are recording. So, memory protocols. Start with a protocol. Start with what I'm thinking. Organize my brain. Organize my body in motion, my actions. So, beginning with protocols. Memory. How to remember things. How to do sequences of things through space and time. Internal memory, external memory. Strategies for utilizing, for storing and retrieving data. In order to set up recurring loops, reminders in the environment, reminders of things that I should be doing, schedule protocol. Spanning out, mapping out, what does a human do, what do I do, what is my context, learning what a human does based on what I do, recording what I do into protocols. The beginning protocols are basic. They don't make a lot of sense. They're difficult to bootstrap. No protocol has any meaning in and of itself, on its own. Protocols connect to each other. Protocols are semantic trees. Semantic trees which you flow through by consulting the protocol, pulling up the protocol from memory and comparing it to what is being experienced currently as you run the program putting together all the protocols into a context, you moving through space and time, executing protocols, executing the program, which contains protocols in a context all together, linking up a bunch of protocols, inputs and outputs to the program. Depending on what you're trying to do, you may run a different program. Programs probably also having no meaning outside of a context. The context is the connections to the other programs running, like an operating system. This type of thing keeps happening. There is no one single linear start, purpose, completion. Everything connects to everything else. Difficult to bootstrap into this environment, into this type of thinking on any layer. It keeps happening on different layers. Holonic stacking. Protocols, memory protocols. Instead of free writing, try free talking. Just don't stop talking, or try to flow through ideas. Try to gather a bunch of things together in a very condensed frame of time. Not wasting time planning. Too much planning and no action means no writing. These are protocols for creating expressions into media, for creating media expressions. Internal memory and external memory are a factor here. In a large case, most cases I will be talking about external media, at least in the context of this protocol, because I am simply talking about recording my own voice, which then serves as memory reminders to trigger further action later on down the road. So the protocol to capture segments of media expression into an archive. Right now I'm using an audio recorder, recording MP3s automatically to a drive. It's an external device which holds in your hand, runs on batteries. My protocol for this is, if I run out of things to say, I'm going to press the pause on record until I have some more relevant thoughts, until the expression of the fractal, the strike point, has seemed to run its course, where some type of bigger picture has been built amongst a lot of different contexts, each relating to each other. Strike point is also a form of bootstrap into this idea, a story, some concepts. Note about using this for Portal Mountain, this type of expression. Just to do research and development on my own, to augment the meetings that we are doing. This would be to create stretches of pieces of work to basically try to explain things that I know, just to express so that I can work on them and refine them, and also so that they may be shared with others easily. I'm going to stop and restart because this battery may die. I want to make sure that the file is saved. Be right back in the next file.